LUKMAAN IAS, a premier institution since 15 years in Old Rajinder, Nagar, New Delhi. We provide courses for various stages of the examination like GS Foundation, Prelims Guidance Program, Mains Intensive Guidance Program, Editorial Discussion, and Crash Courses. We also provide optional courses for Public Administration, Geography, and Political Science. We have produced consistent results, and these results are of students who learn from application of knowledge and techniques with us. We provide quality in classroom teaching and training, timely completion of syllabus, and our content team formulates curated content and inputs to enhance students' knowledge repository and mentor students on regular basis. We also provide qualitatively relevant online training for the examination and state-of-the-art infrastructure for the same. Thank you.